Hi, my name is Nestor De Horace, owner of PCCG.
And I am Eric, owner of EBRE Truck Sales and Parts. And behind us, you can see what we offer. Let's go take a look.
US quality usually translates to the bigger the better, but sometimes that's not always the case. But with our truck, it is. So I'm showing you a small sample of our inventory down here in the US of our dump trucks. These trucks run on Caterpillar engines. These engines make 400 horsepower all the way to 550 horsepower. They are followed by a 10-speed transmission, 13 or even an 18-speed. They run on a airbag suspension, what makes it a smooth ride down the road. They have a low capacity of 30 tons, which makes the job a lot easier.
If you're trying to buy your first tractor, or expand your fleet, or standardize your equipment, we can help. We go that extra mile for our customers.
Thanks for watching.